Hey guys, today's video is really exciting. I'm sure you'll definitely love it. This could be such a wonderful, lovely gift to your friend or someone, and it's so easy, so super quick to make. And the best part is you have made it yourself. This is Shidal Pathak here, and welcome to my channel Creatively Made in Home. I'm the founder of Creatively Made in Home blog and YouTube channel where I share my creative journey, my crazy ideas, and how I bring them to reality. I also own an online store, Arnaisha, where I sell my digital patterns. So please do check out Creatively Made in Home blog and Arnaisha store. The links are below in the description box. Now without further ado, let's dive into today's video. And in today's video, I'm gonna try a mixed media art. Trying something different using the modeling clay with colors on canvas. So let us see how it turns out. First I took the canvas, this is 6 inch by 6 inch canvas. Then I thought of coloring the sides first. So to protect the main surface, I put the masking tape all around. Then I took this light pink color chalk paint and with the help of flat brush I started applying on the sides. All the materials that I've used in this video are linked in the description box below. If you are interested, you can check that out. Once all the sides are painted, I allowed it to dry. I have this beautiful flower basket stencil which has 3 rose flowers and a beautiful handle with some quotes. So I thought of using that. So now let's start preparing our colors. I have this acrylic modeling paste. So with the help of wooden spatula, I took out 3 portions as I wanted 3 colors, one for flower, one for leaves and one for basket. Then I took my acrylic colors, one for flower red, green for leaves and brown for basket, and slowly started mixing them with modeling paste. Actually this is the first time I'm mixing acrylic colors with modeling paste, so I didn't know how it will turn out. So I slowly started mixing, but look at this guys, it's looking so beautiful. By this time the canvas paint is also dried, so it's time to peel out the masking tape. And I just love this peeling off the masking tape, I don't know why. It's very nice. Then I took my stencil and pasted on the canvas. It's very important that the stencil should not move while we are working. But my stencil was bigger than the canvas, so I could stick it only on one side. And decided to hold with my hand on the other side. Now the fun process started. First I started with the rose and I picked the red color, and slowly with the help of flat brush I started spreading it over the stencil. To be frank, I never thought it would be so easy and so fun to work like this. As the paint is little thick, it's very easy to work on the stencil with the help of brush. So guys, you must try this technique. So look at this guys, I already finished 2 flowers and I have moved to the third one. And you can easily keep on working on this, filling the gaps, and it's really fun. Now I have taken my green color and started working on my leaves. Really guys, it's working out so fast. Now I finished my leaves and I'm gonna finish my basket quickly. Yes guys, here I am using the same wooden spatula that I used to take out the modeling paste. And this medium is really flexible. You can use brush, you can use spatula, anything. And I'm super excited to see how it will look after I take out the stencil. And guys, now I'm gonna take out the stencil. Oh wow! I never thought it could be so beautiful. Look at the texture guys. And now it's time to finish it with little bit of detailing. So I took my small brush and with acrylic colors I'll do little bit of more detailing. Little bit of red color, little bit of white color for the light. And really guys, you must try this. It's really fun, very quick project and I'm really liking it. Once all the painting is done, now it's time to write the quote. For that I used my gold permanent marker and I used the same stencil and wrote the best wishes quote. Look at this guys, it's looking really amazing. I'm definitely gonna try some more painting with this technique. And I'm sure you will also try it. So let me know. Guys, if you make something like this, please share with me at Instagram. My handle is @creativelymadeinhome. I am excited to share your projects. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a like, thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.